What's up? In this video, you are going to learn how to save Instagram story highlights. So when you're on Instagram and you've posted to your Instagram story, you can actually save images from your story and create different highlights that will show up in your Instagram bio. You've probably seen those little circles below different people's Instagram bios showing their highlights, which is a collection of very specific Instagram stories. So let me show you really quickly how to do that. To do this, you're gonna wanna open up Instagram and you're gonna obviously need something on your Instagram story. So right here on my Instagram story, I have a little image, and let's say I wanna add it to a highlight or create a new highlight. So at the bottom, you're gonna see the little heart highlight button. If you press that, you can create a new highlight or add it to a highlight. Right now, I don't have any highlights, so I could create a new highlight called selfies, or I don't know, whatever you wanna call it. Then you're just gonna click add. And now if I go to my profile, I can see right there on my profile screen, selfies. And anytime I do a new Instagram story, I can add it to that highlight reel, or I can create a brand new highlight reel and add other images to it from my other stories. So the nice thing here too is I can add some archived Instagram stories. So if you take an Instagram story and you forget to add it to your highlight, you can actually go back to previous Instagram stories and add them to your highlight reel later on, which is really convenient. All right, guys, that's how to add Instagram stories to your highlight. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment, let me know your Instagram handle. Don't forget to go check out our Instagram because we're sharing all sorts of cool tech videos, funny videos, GIFs, stuff like that. So go check out our Instagram, give us a follow. We'll see you guys in the next video.